Hi friends, hello and welcome to SMR Tech. First of all, I want to thank you all for visiting and supporting the channel and also giving lots of love. Today I'm back with one of the fresh topic which is requested by most of the subscribers, that is how to update table of contents, tables or figures in MS Office while working with any reports. So without wasting a time, let's start the video. So we'll go to the report. So this is our report. In this we need to make a table of contents which is index page. So now entire report is in clear format, nothing headings or the format is applied to any text of this report. So now we will see how to update it. So first of all, we'll select this one. This is our heading, and here in home section we need to go to this styles, and here you can select heading 1. So this will be our heading 1. Just click it. Now the format has changed, so we can customize this format as per the requirement. Like I am changing is to Georgia and I want font size as 12, and this should be black and this should be in center. So I can also change a paragraph spacing, that is I want it as 1.5 line spacing, and before and after should be 0. So this is our first heading. So now we have created one style over here. We can just select this one and go to home and click on format painter, just apply it to this one. So this has become exactly to this one. So we can just customize this one, just align to left, this is left, or Ctrl L, and we can just give here like bold. Again same, select, double click on format painter, and this will be applied everywhere. So these are our headings, right? These are our headings. I'll just bold this one. So now my report part is ready. I need to update here table of contents. So how to update it? So we'll just go to a reference and here click on table of contents, just select this one. So wow, so now you can see whatever the headings you have applied, that format, everything has came in this one content. So we can remove this one, we don't want it, just select this one. And we can customize this format, just select it, right click and go to format. I want this to be Georgia, no, I just want this scripture ms regular 12. So this is the formatting which I want. Just click OK, and I want format to be as 00 and 1.5. So I'll remove this one. Yeah. So you can see this is my table of contents. I'll just move this one to next page. So it came to next page. I'll just click on update page numbers only. So it has updated here. If I click on this heading, it's going to the next page where the heading is. So it's working. So this is the first step, how to update this entire table of contents. This is the main. So whatever the headings you want to add over here, entire report can be added in the similar format, in the similar way. So just click on this one format painter and apply to the entire headings till where you want. This is one method, and we'll just go to the next method, that is tables. But you are preparing the report in which you are having the tables. You are working with any report in which you are having multiple tables which you need to show in the index table. So how to do that one? So let's see how to do. I'll just remove this one table number, this one, and so we are having 4 tables. So for this I'll just go to reference, click on insert caption, reference and insert caption. So I got one pop-up menu over here. So here you can select, like, if you want to add numbers to figures, tables, equation, or if you want any customize, you can add over here new label. So for now I want only table. So for that you are having one more option, exclude label from caption. So you can see that if I click here, I'm getting only table number, as I'm having table written over here. So I'll just select only number. Okay. So as soon as I click OK, here it is automatically updated number. So I'll just copy paste, right? So now everywhere it is table 1. So for that I'll just select this one and update field, click on update field. So it will auto update the table number. So similar way, how many tables we are having, we can do the same thing, same format we can apply to the entire table. So now we have inserted the table numbers, we need to add the tables. So just go to reference and insert table of figures, go to this option. So now you can see the properties of this. Here, like, we can select show page numbers if you want page numbers, right align page numbers, so it will be aligned to right, similar. So just click OK. As soon as you click OK, you can see here tables are updated. I'll just move this to next page, control plus enter. So see, we are having 4 tables which is updated here. Just click update field, update page numbers only, so it is updated. Even we can add update entire field, update entire table. Just select this one, go to font and give the formatting as per your requirement. Go to paragraph, give line spacing. So that's it. Finally update the page numbers. It is completed. Now you can give any title you want to add to this table number, any title. Similar way you can do for figures as well, and if you want, you can add any customized heading over here. So in the same way, after adding the caption, just go to insert table of figures and click OK. That's it, it will be updated. So this is the process how to update table of contents. It is very simple. Thanks for watching. Hope you like the video. Please comment for any suggestions and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.